New video, whoa!
We had just found this cave now, and we're gonna explore it.
We're gonna explore it.
Right there, no? It might be molybdenum.
Maybe.
Kind of blue, kind of.
This is kind of.
It might be just
blue. Okay, the search for molybdenite is. What is that?
Oh, it's just a pencil. I thought it was a syringe.
It's not a pencil, or it's like a. It's a screw. It's a screw. We got natural water. Wow.
See this? What this?
Oh, there. Is this molybdenite?
Who knows?
Maybe.
It's very thin.
Whoa, we got the ore. We got the wood ore.
Wood ore. Oh,
Let's mine after some wood. The ceiling is a bit drippy, so you need to be careful and not get the camera wet. Oh, what is this? Do we have some iron? Maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
We are. We know a lot about rocks and
copper. I don't know.
copper, maybe. Oh, copper isn't copper like a green bluish thing. Because it oxidizes. And when it oxidizes, if we got any miners in the comments, let us know if you find something cool. Maybe molybdenite. So I think we're concluding with that this is molybdenite we got here. A bit watery here. A bit wet. We found a hole.
Damn, it's pretty deep.
Weird. Probably got like a.
Oh, see, it's. Oh, they have made the floor.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a floor here.
Oh, that's cool.
So we might be standing on wood. It might just be they made a flat floor so you can walk easier. Then, okay, we might come. Maybe we'll be in there later. Oh, is that the end over there? If you're wondering why I have umbrella, it's because the camera isn't super waterproof and the ceiling is a bit drippy, so it's for protecting the camera. Only step on the rocks. Super hard. Whoa, we got more natural water. Wait, is this the end or not?
Oh, it's high here.
Oh no, it goes further. Whoa. Whoa, we got the beetle.
Here? Are the Beatles?
The Beatles? Can I get your autograph? Whoa. That's high up. Super slippery here. Yeah, it's like clay or something. A bit harder when you have a camera and an umbrella in your hands.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh no.
Hopefully that goes away. Oh, it wasn't like an epic echo. Okay, maybe we should wash the shoes because they're like super slippery now. What is it?
What the fuck?
Probably fine. It's just red paint.
Oh my days.
Blå hadde blitt sånn brunt.
Ass.
Hva er det?
Se på veggen.
It's red paint.
Jeg tror den der sånn der stearin.
Next time bring some better shoes for this. Oh. Especially when you go on a rainy day. This cave just keeps going.
Har noen førstehjelpskit?
Nope.
Jeg glemte å ta den.
We're fine. Only English.
I can English.
I can English good. This is like it's a parkour course.
Inside the mountain.
You have to not get wet.
But it's pretty good air inside there. But it's like, it's pretty good air, so it's like, that's good.
Or it's a gas leak and we don't notice it and we're gonna die. Optimism. We got arrows to show the direction back.
Nothing suspicious at all.
What we got up here? Wow. Wait. It's another floor.
Oh my god.
Okay, we can come back and
Just
check.
This.
So here it splits up.
Oh, here's the water.
Whoa. Yes, I think. Whoa.
Oh my days.
Whoa. Oh. Be careful where you go.
Wanna go swimming?
We come back here with diving gear.
No, we don't need diving gear. Just get a inflatable ball and put it on your head. Yeah, so it's a whole other floor above us. So I think this goes to where we were before. Well, when we came here, I did not expect it to be this big. Keep going.
So it's not this entrance?
So I think it's two per.
Yeah. So
I think there's two paths going parallel.
Yes.
Maybe we find a scary ghost. Oh my god. Saw a ghost at 3 a.m. gone wrong. Got cops called. That's the title of this video. We also got like metal rods sticking down from the ceiling, so watch your head. Whoa. Okay.
I didn't see it at first, but I thought it was just anything down. But it's just.
Okay. Whoa. So don't fall down. How far does it go?
Maybe there's much more.
Axel, come.
What the fuck?
How far? Can you see it?
It goes quite far.
Goes quite far. Oh, there.
Oh, is it
Whoa.
Okay.
Okay, so if you do want to go for a swim, just jump down here. we got the map. Beautiful. It's a perfect scale.
No, it's not perfect scale.
No, it is. It's
Yeah,
perfect
of course,
scale.
of course.
Whoa, we got the thingy, a machine thingy. Whoa.
Yeah, it just ends there.
Just ends there. We got a lot to explore, so let's keep going. We went to find molybdenum and we found a lot more. Left is the right way. Three
Left
ways.
is the way, or left is the right way. Her går det ikke forskjellig retning her også.
Oh, but it stops here. It's
In
that
here?
We're here, by the way. We are here.
we're there.
Yeah.
So let's keep going. molybdenum. Oh wow. Oh, we got some rails. And is this the end? So minecart going here. Or
No, it's not the end.
it's not the end. Okay, it keeps going. So we
Oh, it's keep oh my days! It keeps going.
Etter perfekt clickbait, dere. Almost got lost in Nazi mine.
Ja.
Perfect.
Wait.
Look at the water.
Whoa.
Whoa. I can look like.
Super drinkable water.
Wow, that's so cool. Blue water and rainbow water.
Whoa. Okay, back in the crossing again. So this is where we like came from before. And we were over here, haven't been there. So we've been over here as well, but now we're going back this way and see where that goes. Okay, that went fine.
Yeah.
Wow. No light at the end of the tunnel here. So this part is done exploring, but we're still not done. Okay, so we're gonna go back to a place where it splits off that we haven't been yet. I'm not sure if it goes further here.
Oh,
Maybe.
I think it's maybe a lot of molybdenum.
Maybe.
Like, I don't know. You didn't go in there?
Ooh, we got some crystal things here, maybe.
To the left? Yeah, we got. Go!
What? You see? Oh shit! Oh shit! Are you serious, Wayne? Oh shit! Yeah. Okay. Oh my god! I think we might not survive this. We might not survive the night. Oh my god! Anyway, let's go. If they come, boom, they're done. Whew. Okay, we came from there now, so we're going left. Let's see if it's... So here we got like a big crack. Yeah, okay, so it ends here.
I think so.
Okay, does it go further? What? Okay.
It might go over, but yeah, it looks. I don't know.
Oh, it goes. Okay, it goes further.
You can see the footprints. Also.
So, filmer, drawer, and explorer.
Hopefully we end up back where we know,
Right,
like a known place.
We can be like one of those. Okay. Oh, you thought it stops? It never stops.
Maybe it's all the.
Oh!
Oh, we're back.
What?
Oh, wait. Wait, what?
What?
Cursed. It's cursed. Across his back. Across his back.
Maybe we are getting dementia and we're just going in circles.
Breathing in not so safe gases and just going insane. Okay, so now we have completed the entire section in here. So now we have to go a bit back to the one where we haven't been yet. Okay, so we are back here with like rains basically, and we got this thing that goes to the second floor, and we might have not gone down here. Oh, there's like rocks in here holding it together. But this is definitely molybdenum.
I don't know, but
Molybdenite.
maybe.
This has to be. It looks weird. Yeah. So they didn't like get all of it. It's still a lot of hair, but they might have gotten the big veins and. Whoa! Whoa! It's like glowing. You can see.
Yeah.
What? Wait, if I get it in the shadow, wait, how do I do that? Well, there you can see it glows there. That's cool. So we got all of these here with a lot of rocks and stone.
2011.
So somebody was here in 2011.
Oh my!
Whoa! Oh, go across there.
Up there.
Huh?
I'm not balancing up there.
Yeah, no. If we encounter that later, we're not going. We're not going across there. Yeah, somebody might have stolen all the rails here. Oh, and they. Okay. So we got some graffiti. Oh, it might be molybdenum. Oh. So this is the end here. Have we seen all of it? Or?
Yeah, we've seen all of it.
Okay.
We can go back.
We've seen all of it now. But we still got the second floor. Oh, that was crazy, guys.
Oh my god, we just came out of the
Just
cave.
look how dirty we are
Oh
after
my
that.
days.
That cave really made us dirty. Like, look at all of this.
Oh my
Like,
god.
whoa, whoa.
Whoa!
Yeah, so that was extreme crazy, guys. Like, if you look at us before and after, it's like we are so dirty and yeah. Like and subscribe, please.